Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. The best air fryers are brilliant at all kinds of cooking and will undoubtedly change your life. That's not just hype. They're a much healthier way to get that fried food flavor without any of the health hazards and ingesting gallons of cooking oil, and good for letting you enjoy other non-fried type dishes, from succulent salmon, spectacular sweet potatoes, and amazing eggplant to fantastic fish tacos, buffalo chicken wings, and so much more. Yet with so many air fryers to choose from in a pretty crowded and competitive market, knowing which brand and model number to go for can be rather overwhelming. That's why we have put together this best air fryer guide.
Number 3. Ninja Foodi Max Dual Zone Air Fryer AF400.
This air fryer has two separate compartments, so you can cook two different dishes, so they're ready to serve at the same time. In our review, we were impressed at just how quickly the air fryer crisped and evenly browned our fries. The two cooking drawers, which have crisper plates inside, have an overall capacity of 10 quart/9.5 liter and are deep enough to hold a 3 pound/1.4 kilograms batch of fries, or 4.4 pounds/2 kilograms chicken each. Ninja also offers a smaller capacity version, which holds up to 8 quart/7.6 liters, and is known as the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer AF300. This handy kitchen gadget can roast, dehydrate, bake, and even reheat, as well as air fry.
Number 2. Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501.
If you want a budget-friendly air fryer that's as stylish as it is effective, then the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is worth considering. Unlike any of the air fryers we've tested previously, the LED and touch control panel is located on the glossy top of this kitchen gadget, creating a streamlined look. On test, we found the air fryer produced crisp, crunchy fries with soft, fluffy potato inside, and succulent juicy chicken wings. However, it struggled to evenly brown foods, so we found ourselves tweaking cooking times, and it wasn't effective when cooking frozen foods either. It has 7 presets for dishes such as bacon, seafood, and cake.
Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with ClearCook and OdourErase.
The brand behind the iconic Instant Pot also makes air fryers, and its top-of-the-range model consistently turned out the crispiest fries and chicken wings of any air fryers we tested. In our testing, the fries had crisp exteriors but soft, fluffy insides, and the chicken was moist, while its skin was crispy and retained loads of flavor. The Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer with ClearCook and OdourErase builds on the previous iteration, the Instant Vortex Plus, with a plastic window in the basket and a light that lets you keep an eye on food while it's cooking, and has a built-in filter to reduce smells too.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.